Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, overall on the monthly, I still definitely believe that this is going to go down, most likely to make a wave C, or maybe even a wave 3. Like I've been saying, I definitely don't really think it matters whether we know whether it's a C or a 3. Taking it down to the weekly, I still expect that this first move down is a trend. I still think this is a wave 2. I still think it's going to bounce off one of these last two fib levels and then go down and make a big old wave 3 of wave C most likely. So keeping all this in mind, let's take it down to the daily. On the daily, this move looks extremely corrective to me, extremely overlapping. I still think it is a 1. I still think it's a 2. It's probably not over yet. We definitely don't see any breaker structure to the downside or a Fibonacci bounce or a lower high. I still think it probably needs to go up more before it actually does end up going down, either looking like this or maybe looking like this. Either way, we should better recognize when it's over pretty easily. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely still going up pretty nicely. I was saying yesterday it looked like it was going to make a move down, but it probably wasn't a very desirable trade, which it wasn't too bad. I still think that maybe it is going to go down. It kind of almost looks like it could be an ABC correction, but I wouldn't really focus too much on the sorts. It looks like it should make a wave C, but it might just be another pullback, and it might just make another higher low, higher low, higher low, and just keep on going. The higher time frames are definitely in an uptrend, so we should be trading with the trend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely a pretty impulsive move down as you can see, but like I said, the trend is up on all the higher time frames, so it looks like it could possibly go down and make some sort of a bigger ABC before it actually goes up. And maybe this is the A, maybe this is the 1, 2, 3 pattern for the B, and then it goes down for a C before it actually does go back up. Now, it looks like it should do that, but what is actually maybe more likely to happen is it just goes down, makes a higher low, and just keeps on going up. So I would definitely still be focused on the longs. Any shorts that you take are definitely going against the trend on the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord community, linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website, linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.